3-day weekend. We're gonna make a cocktail using our adventure knife. Hey, I love this knife. Picnics, barbecues, on the go, this is the knife for you. It has been 6 weeks since we've had our favorite friend, Maker's Mark, so we're bringing it back for Kentucky Made, a play on a mint julep. 3/4 ounce simple syrup. I do a little less, because I don't want that sweet. 5 to 6 mint leaves and muddle them with our simple syrup. 5 thin slices of cucumber. And now we muddle them. Oh, those are some hard-ass cucumbers. 3/4 lime. 2 ounces bourbon. Add the ice. Too cold to hold. Use like a thick, there we go. Our garnish. The schmancy. There we have it. Kentucky Made with Maker's Mark. Oh yeah, that's good. I'm ready to party. Happy Friday. See you next week.